concrete repair used to be a daunting task, filled with noise, dust, and disruption. Traditional methods involved jackhammering damaged concrete, grinding down deteriorated steel, and encasing the area with forms before pouring new concrete. These processes were labor-intensive, time-consuming, and often caused significant downtime. But now there's a better way. Structural Reinforcement Solutions introduces a new era of concrete repair. Our SRS-4000 Concrete Guard penetrates deep into the concrete, increasing its strength and reducing porosity without the need for invasive procedures. It's a clear, water-based solution that works from within, reinforcing the structure at its core. For embedded steel, our SRS-4100 Steel Guard offers cutting-edge protection. This organic, surface-applied corrosion inhibitor creates a durable film over the steel, stopping corrosion in its tracks. Unlike traditional methods, there's no need for extensive steel replacement or heavy jackets. And when it comes to overall structural integrity, our carbon fiber products offer unmatched strength and support. Easily applied, they provide long-lasting reinforcement for concrete and masonry components, ensuring your structures remain strong and resilient. Say goodbye to outdated, disruptive methods. Choose the future of concrete repair with Structural Reinforcement Solutions.